How to make $10,000 a month as a student. Have you ever scrolled through social media and seen someone claiming to make $10,000, $20,000, or even $50,000 a month? All while being a student? Maybe they're working from their laptop on a beach in Bali, driving a brand new sports car, or posting motivational content about how easy it is to get rich. It sounds amazing, right? But here's the real truth. Most of these people are lying to you. There's a lot of BS, hype, and misinformation when it comes to making money online. Some influencers make it sound effortless, as if you can just wake up one day, start a business, and boom, you're making 5 figures a month. Others try to sell you on risky, unsustainable methods. But I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to give you the blueprint, a real, practical, and sustainable way to build a business that makes 10,000 plus a month as a student. I'll break it down into 3 core principles, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow. Sound good? Let's dive in. Step 1. Picking the right path to 10K a month. Let's get one thing straight. If you want to hit $10,000 a month, you need to choose the right business model that actually works. You need something that is profitable, sustainable, and has low risk. So, what should you avoid? Let's start by cutting out the bad ideas so you don't waste time. There are tons of online money-making methods, but most of them are just hype. Here are 3 traps to avoid. 1. Forex and day trading. Sounds exciting, but here's the ugly truth. 90% of traders lose money in the long run. The people promoting it? They don't make money from trading. They make money from selling courses and getting you to use their referral links. It's gambling disguised as a business. 2. Crypto pump and dump schemes. Unless you're an insider, it's a rigged game. By the time you hear about a hot new coin, the big players have already cashed out. You're just left holding the bag while they take their profits. 3. Multi-level marketing, MLM. These are just pyramid schemes in disguise. You're not building a real business, you're selling overpriced products and recruiting people to join. The only way to make money is by convincing your friends and family to join, which never ends well. What actually works? Now that we've cleared out the fake opportunities, let's focus on real, profitable business models that can help you hit 10K this month, even as a student. 1. Service-based business, the fastest way to 10K a month. If you want to make money quickly, offering a service is the best way to start. No inventory, no big investment, just you, a skill, and clients who need it. Profitable service-based ideas. Social media management. Businesses pay $500 to $2,500 a month for someone to manage their content. Video editing and thumbnails. YouTubers and influencers need high-quality edits and thumbnails to grow. Copywriting and email marketing. Writing persuasive content that helps businesses sell more. Google Ads or Facebook Ads management. Running paid ads for e-commerce stores or local businesses. 2. Digital products and online courses. Scalable and passive income. This model takes more time to set up, but once it's running, it can make money 24/7, even while you sleep. Digital product ideas. Ebooks. Know about fitness, productivity, studying hacks, or any valuable skill? Turn it into an ebook and sell it for $30, $50. Online courses. Teach coding, graphic design, video editing, or even social media growth, and charge $100, $500 per course. Templates and Notion dashboards. Custom resume templates, business spreadsheets, or digital planners can sell for $10, $100 each. 3. E-commerce. Selling physical and digital products the smart way. Forget cheap dropshipping gimmicks. Real e-commerce is about selling profitable, high-margin products with smart marketing. E-commerce ideas. Print on demand. Merch. Sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, or posters without keeping inventory. Niche subscription boxes. Unique, low-cost recurring products people order every month. High-margin physical products, not cheap gadgets. Next step, how to actually get clients and customers. Choose one model out of the 3 I've mentioned and build on it. Now that you have the right business model, the next step is learning how to get clients and customers, which we'll cover in Step 2. Step 2. Be real about your timeline and expectations. Let's be honest, making $10,000 a month won't happen overnight. One of the biggest mistakes students make is expecting instant success. They see influencers claiming they made 6 figures in a month and they think, I can do that too. But here's the truth. Building a profitable online business takes time. Why slow growth is normal. Think about it like going to the gym. You don't walk in on day 1, do a few push-ups, and suddenly have 6-pack abs. You build muscle over time. Making money online is the same. Your skills, your network, and your income grow with time and effort. So instead of setting unrealistic goals, let's set real expectations for how this journey works. Your realistic timeline to 10K to month. Months 1 to 3, learning and getting your first clients. $500, $1,000 a month. At this stage, your goal isn't to make 10K a month, it's to start making any money online. Pick a skill or business model. Social media management, video editing, copywriting, etc. Practice and improve your skill. Offer free or discounted work to build experience. Find 1 to 2 small clients, even if they pay you just $200, $500. Start building your online presence. LinkedIn, Twitter, Fiverr, Upwork, etc. Goal: make your first $500, $1,000 online. Months 4 to 6. Scaling up and raising prices, $3,000, $5,000 a month. Now that you've got some experience, it's time to charge more and attract better clients. Increase your pricing. If you started charging $200 per client, bump it to $500, $1,000. Refine your marketing strategy. Learn how to attract clients through social media, cold outreach, and referrals. Improve your portfolio. Showcase the best work you've done to attract higher-paying clients. Land more clients. Aim for 4 to 6 solid clients that bring in steady income. Goal: grow to $3,000, $5,000 per month. Months 7 to 12. Systemizing and scaling. $10,000 a month. This is when you go from freelancer to business owner. Raise your rates again. Charge premium prices based on your experience. Outsource and automate. Hire others to help with work so you can scale. Expand your income streams. If you started with services, add digital products, coaching, or affiliate income. Become an authority in your niche. Build a brand that attracts high-quality clients effortlessly. Goal: reach consistent 10K plus months. Some people will hit 10K in 6 months, others in 2 years, and that's okay. Some people will get there fast. Maybe they have prior experience, great connections, or just go all in. Others might take a year or 2, and that's totally fine. The goal isn't to rush, it's to build something that lasts. The biggest mistake: quitting too early. If you're serious about hitting 10K a month, the biggest thing you need is patience. The difference between people who make it and those who don't: one group keeps going, the other gives up. Step 3. How to keep making $10,000 every month and grow beyond it. Making $10,000 one time is exciting, but making $10,000 consistently, month after month, that's where the real challenge begins. It's like hitting the gym and getting in shape. You don't just work out once and stay fit forever. You have to keep showing up and keep improving. So, how do you maintain and scale your income once you hit that 10K mark? Here's your blueprint to long-term success. 1. Systemize and delegate. Work smarter, not harder. When you first start making money, you'll likely be doing everything yourself, and that's okay. But if you try to scale without systems, you'll eventually hit a ceiling or burn out. The solution? Start delegating. If you run a social media agency, hire junior editors, graphic designers, or copywriters to help. If you run an e-commerce store, outsource customer service, product fulfillment, and marketing. If you sell digital products or courses, automate your sales process and hire a virtual assistant. 2. Build a personal brand, your secret weapon for growth. In 2025 and beyond, having a strong online presence is like having free marketing. People trust individuals more than faceless brands, and that's why building a personal brand is a game changer. How to build a personal brand that attracts clients and opportunities. Pick one platform, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter, and post valuable content consistently. Share your journey, talk about your progress, mistakes, and lessons learned. Showcase your skills, whether it's writing, design, video editing, or business tips. Engage with people, reply to comments, connect with potential clients, and build relationships. 3. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one. One of the biggest mistakes people make, relying on only one source of income. When you're making 10K a month, it's time to add more revenue streams so that if one slows down, you still have money coming in. Making $10,000 a month as a student is 100% possible, but let's be real, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. The biggest reason most people fail, they never start. So here's my challenge for you. Pick one thing and start today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.